Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Lego spaceship using only 10 pieces. So what you see in front of you is all you'll need. You'll need a clip, whatever colour you want, I just prefer grey. A transparent cheese wedge, I guess you would call it. A 1x2 plate, again this can be any colour, I just only have tan available. You'll need this smooth, I don't know what you call it. Oh, didn't mean for that to happen. You'll need another one, so you'll need two of them. You'll also need one of these. And like I said before, any colour, it's just I only have black. And you'll need a second one. You can add a transparent orange piece if you would like. And pretty much a 1x2 of same thing, and two of them. Now onto the actual building. What you need is to grab these two, then you'll need to put them together. Don't know if you saw that, but so it's like this. Then you need to do it a second time. Again, if it starts to go like that, just straighten it out like I'm doing. Just twist it. And then, now to add the actual pilot, just grab the transparent cheese wedge and place it on. To do this off camera, like so, you've got something like this. Now, to add your aim like iron sights, crosshair, whatever you want to call it, just grab your spaceship, and place it like that. Don't really look like a spaceship, but then what you need to do is hold on. Need to just clear some stuff real quick. You need to place it like this. Okay. Then you need to grab it again. Grab another one. Place it. Now hopefully you should have something that looks like this, if you've done all the steps correct. No, we're not finished though. You grab one of these, and you just place, and you grab your orange stud, and you place it like that. Then what you add is you add it to the spaceship, same way that you did before, and then you just grab your last piece and add it same way, and then boom, you've got your spaceship. And it can fly off. Now hold on, so you can get a better look at it. Here are the size comparison between a Lego minifigure and it. Now here's a 360 look at it, using a little stand, I guess you would call it. Here it is. Now thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you around if you decide to subscribe. Later.